So, as we can see, as I said earlier, Bitcoin just broke out on that level that we have been tracking for a few days, that 38K mark. It's it- the breakout could mean just a retest of this 38 400 boundary that it has been struggling with. So it's been a long time for the Bitcoin in the current zone since early November. To be precise, it has been in these areas, but now it looks just a little bit better because the price has spent some time over the last few days above 38K, but we still need to see that these levels broken down, that 38 400, 38 450 mark, uh, if it needs to be broken down, but for the moment it remains open for testing on this current rate. So what uh, what could happen is the price being uh, slowly moving up and down, like something like this. So the price tested the support and then moved and tested that high, and then again tested the support but fell and fell below. So the price has been crossed, and that could also mean this could be also work in a similar way, especially with dollar being very low over the last few days, and it's trying to form a kind of a মানে, mm, like mm, pullback, but we have to see how long that does that last, and what other fundamentals we get from the US side. But for the moment, Bitcoin remains kind of bullish, and it has already made 300 500 dollar upside in the last $500 upside in the last 4 hours or so. So 4 hour 4.5 hours. So that neckline would be important if the price tests it again, and then we could have this trend adjusted somewhere around 37,900, and then from that again 38 450 could be targeted. That's another $500 of movement. So that's how I think Bitcoin could go on for the next few hours, and maybe today. Uh, but if that limit is broken, we are quickly gonna catch up to 40,000. So that could be fast, uh, where the volume comes in, because people will have had orders in place in new highs to get to not to be left out for the upside rallies. So that's, I think, yeah, pretty much covers it. But like I said earlier or yesterday, the price seems to be exhausted. If we look at other indicators, if we look at let's say this one, and we go to the daily charts, the price does seem kind of exhausted on all levels. It was more so exhausted. Now it's getting there again. Uh, mm, but yeah, mm, MACD seems okay enough. RSI is still quite high, but it's actually more bullish zone around the 60-61 mark. So we need to be careful, but the cautiousness from yesterday is a little lower with the market being the way it's been yesterday and this morning. Okay. Let me know if you have any more questions.